This week at APR Welding Academy, we decided to give our metal fabricators a challenge. The objective of this project was to create a die made out of stainless steel 16 gauge using fusion welding, and then polish it to a mere finish. Check out how it turned out. The second part of this challenge was to create a stand using only carbon steel, but here was the catch. They had to weld it with silicon bronze TIG wire. At the end of this challenge, each student was graded upon three things: layout, cleanliness of welds and fit up, and squareness. At my school, we believe in more than just welding. We believe more than just fabricating. We believe in the finished product. Welding and fabricating is just too broad of a trade to focus on one aspect of the trade. These guys aren't just going to be metal fabricators creating beams and structures. These aren't going to be just welders that only do aluminum or only do structural or only do pipe. It's a very broad trade, and they need to be able to know how to aspect every single part of that trade. And that includes the finishing part of that trade. You know, being able to create a finished perfect product at the end of the day. That's a huge part of our trade. And a lot of people don't understand that. Let us know what challenge you think we should try next in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow APR Welding Academy's channel.